All right, let's get this TrainHeroic tutorial going. Let's say it's day one and you want to just get your workout done. So click your app open. Quickly, let's map out where everything is. Below your name or your picture and the date is a list of numbers. That is the week's dates. So I'm going to go to today and I'll show you real quick tomorrow's. So when you pull up a workout, it's going to show you a summary view. You can click start session and get going, but I like to kind of just scroll through it and just see what's going on through the workout. I've got to have a hip thrust in there somewhere. Okay. And I've got some other equipment needs, where I want to be when I do this workout, and maybe how long it might take me to do. And then you can click start session. This is tomorrow's workout. Like I said, it's asking me to move it to today. I'm going to click yes. You can do that with any workout. You can do any workout scheduled on whatever date it's on and pull it to the day you're on and do it. It's going to take me through this questionnaire of readiness, which is a great way to get a good feel for how well you're recovering. I wish it had a hunger question in there, but that's okay. And maybe troubleshooting that you might need to do with me so you can be more successful through this training experience. Just a little. Okay. And then it's going to take me into the workout. Every single exercise has a demo video. So right below the name, the title of the exercise is a video. You can tap on it. Come on. And it will pull up and you can play it. It's a YouTube video. You can play it right from the app. It's really nice. Okay. And then it will also show you next to the video, it says last. So you could click on what you did last time. This is a bad example because all it is complete 3 reps in every joint. And so that's all the data it gives me. Once I finish that, I can just click the green dot. Oops. And then move on. So you can either swipe left or you can hit the next arrow down at the bottom right corner. As you do that, notice how the dots at the very top of the app, I'm going to go back and then fill in as you finish stuff. So it's a really nice way to see where you are in the workout and get a good sense of accomplishment. I'm going to scroll over to an exercise that has space for more data in it. So here's one. Here's a good example. This is a barbell hip thrust. I'm asked to do it for strength to failure for a time. So it's got a spot where I can write down the time. Once I do the drill, I'm going for under 30 seconds. So I'm going to say I'm going to do it for, I'm probably going to get 22 seconds. I don't know what workload I'm going to get, but let's pretend I did 210 pounds today. And I'm also going to write for strength because sometimes, like I'm asked to do it for speed. And I want to make sure that when I look at my history, which is that arrow that's right next to the demo video, I'm going to click that. I can look back at my notes and read like, okay, that one was for strength. It says more weight next time, that second one down. And then just what I've done in the past so I don't have to keep it all in my head. And it's a really nice tool. So the better the notes you take, the easier it's going to be to get your workout done in the future. And then I'm just going to continue logging through this sequence until I get to the last workout or the last exercise. None of the dots like to fill in for me. Let's say for this one, it says I need reps, but there's a lot of these that need time. Here's one for time. So there is a handy little clock at the bottom of the page. You can just swipe that up. There's many types of clocks you can use. I always use the stopwatch for pretty much everything. But if you wanted to switch out, you could hit the right hand button in blue that says switch and change the timer. Click that triangle. It's going to start counting you down and then starting you off with a timer that counts up. So it's really handy. And then when you're done with your drill, done dying, you can just glance at your clock and record what the clock says. So those are the basics. When you're done, you're going to click Done Training. You can rate how hard the workout was for you, the time. And then if you take a note here where it says write any reflections, keep in mind that if you're on a team, other people are going to be seeing your question or comment. So if you think it's useful for others to see, do that. If you want to keep something private between you and me, then I encourage you to text me or send me a message in the low center tab at the base of the app called chat. Okay, come on. So you could chat with me from there. Okay, so those are the basics that should be able to get you through to start.